Waris Shah was a Punjabi Sufi poet renowned for his contribution to Punjabi literature. He is best known for his seminal work Heer Ranger, based on the traditional folk tale of Heer and her lover Ranger. Heer is considered one of the quintessential works of classical Punjabi literature. The story of Heer was also told by several other writers, but Waris Shah's version is by far the most popular today. Waris Shah was born in Jandiala Sher Khan, Punjab, Pakistan, into a reputed Sikh family. Waris Shah's parents are said to have died when he was young, and he probably received his education at the shrine of his preceptor. Waris Shah is also called Shakespeare of the Punjabi language because of his great poetic love story, Heer Ranger. Some critics say that through this story of romantic love, he tried to portray the love of man for God, the quintessential subject of Sufi literature. He was a consummate artiste, deeply learned in Sufi and domestic cultural law. His verse is a treasure trove of Punjabi phrases, idioms and sayings. His minute and realistic depiction of each detail of Punjabi life and the political situation in the 18th century remains unique. His tomb is in Jandiala Sher Khan and is visited by thousands of fans and devotees. His mausoleum is a place of pilgrimage today, especially for those in love. The people visit this place and pray, and on the death anniversary of Waris Shah, his fans or lovers conduct a circumflex de Mela, a folk dance on the beat of whole drum.
फिर इत्थे सरकार दी बोली ठोली पढ़ते रहने कुत्तियां ने दौरे भरन तो बाद फिर इत्थां वारस दे वेड़े आ जान इत्थे मुड़ आए गए मेहमानां नूं वारिस शाह दा कलाम सुनाना है जी। साडे ना साडा कोई दर्दी ओ देसों कट परदेस वगाया कि जिवें मालक तेरी मर्जी बस बई साडा ओ बस नहीं चलदा ते की किसे दा खोना ओ लिसे दा की ओ जोर मोहम्मद ते नस जाना या रोना लिसे दा की जोर मोहम्मद बे नस जाना या रोना